We all love to eat a nice, good old sandwich, especially on the go. However, this one's a little bit different. Hold on to your boxers because this one's gonna make you wanna slap your neighbor's eyebrow. Welcome back, guys. Sean here with the Garlic and Butter Guy. Really excited to show you this recipe. This is not your typical pan type of dish. This is an actual sandwich, and it's called a torta, and now it's milanesa. It's pretty much a kind of country fried steak type of deal where we're gonna bread some meat, some steak, and we're gonna fry it, and we're gonna put some toppings inside of this bread. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. All right, so let's get started. Now, I'm gonna use Panko breadcrumbs. You could use regular breadcrumbs if you'd like, no problem. To this, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, pinch of black pepper, and I'm gonna add, it's a little bit different. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic to this, just to give it a little bit different flavor. About a tablespoon. All right, and we're gonna give this a little mix. Actually, honestly, guys, it's nothing difficult. It's just a little process with the breadcrumbs, the flour, the scrambled egg. And I'm gonna set this aside for now. Grab your eggs, and we're gonna scramble them. I'm gonna use about 4 or 5 eggs on this one. All right, 4 looks about fine. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to this as well, and a little bit of black pepper. And we go ahead and break everything up. Have you ever had this sandwich, bro?
Never.
You never had this sandwich, huh?
Never.
It's absolutely delicious. And the good thing about the sandwich is pretty much you could put your own toppings in there. I think the traditional way is they put some of the pickled vinegar jalapeno in there. It's pretty simple, pretty basic, but you could do whatever you like. It's preference, honestly. So now that our eggs are beaten, we'll set this right over here. Bring back the breadcrumbs and flour, all-purpose flour. This is a very thin cut of steak. Very, very thin. Usually if it's thicker, you could pound it out and thin it out, but this will cook super, super fast. All right, to this, flour. Dip it in just like that. Coat some on top. Take the excess off. Dip it into the egg, just like that. And we go into the panko, just like that. Beautiful. Let me move this aside, clean this off a little bit. There we go. Perfect. I'm going to set this aside right on here. Move it away. And now we're gonna turn on the oil, get it really hot, and we're gonna fry. Now, while we're waiting for the oil to get hot, I have 2 Anaheim chilies here. Actually, I'm gonna take 1. And I'm gonna roast it on a fire because we're gonna throw that into the sandwich. Again, it's optional. So now that the bottom is seared, let's go ahead and turn it around a little bit, get the other side going. The oil is ready. Let's get the steak slowly away, just like that. And because it's so thin, it's not gonna take long at all. Maybe a couple minutes, 3-4 minutes maybe at the most. Go ahead and throw some oil on there just to speed it up a little bit. And look how it's turning golden brown right there. Beautiful, look at that. All right, go ahead and give it a flip. Holy moly. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Probably another minute on this side. Yank it out, throw it on the tray, and then we'll go ahead and start with the bread, and I'm gonna toast it a little bit on the griddle. All right, so this one's done. Oh yeah, baby. Right on here, and we're gonna let this rest. Beautiful, look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna dice up some purple onion. Set it aside. Now, we have the torta. This is the actual bread that they use, but if you don't have access to this, you can use any kind of actual bread if you want, no problem. Go ahead and give this a slice. All right, a little bit of butter. Oh yeah, baby. And to this, I'm gonna add the Mexican Crema. This makes it absolutely delicious. That goes here, both sides. Just like that. All right, go ahead and give it a flip. Let this side cook a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and start decorating this sandwich. Bring in Milanesa steak. Holy moly.
It's gonna be a beast.
That's gonna be a beast, that's right. All right, to this, some onion, some tomato, and I'm gonna take the crema one more time and add it just like that. Then the actual Anaheim chili. Peel this back a little bit. I don't want to get rid of all the burned areas because there's a lot of flavor in that, believe it or not. And these aren't spicy at all, in my opinion. I don't believe they're spicy. They just add a really different flavor to the actual sandwich. So take the pepper just like that, little bits of it. And last but not least, Mr. Avocado. Go ahead and open this up just like that. Beautiful.
That looks amazing.
That looks good, huh? Ooh, my mouth is watering. You gonna want a bite?
Oh yeah. We're gonna split that sandwich, aren't we?
Oh man, I don't know. Should I split it with them? Nah, I have to. All right, last but not least, I have a little bit of the jalapeno, the pickled ones that come in a jar. I like to add it to my sandwich. There you have it, folks. Look how beautiful that looks. Now it's time to actually dig in. I'm going to put this, smash it down a little bit like that. Take my knife. You ready?
Ready.
Oh, listen to that sound, bro. Hui! Voila. And here we go. Voila. Look at that. Wow. Are you ready? Come on. One for big boy, one for me. Ready?
Ready.
And here we go, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Dude, that's amazing.
That was good, huh? Absolutely delicious, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys follow us on TikTok. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. And if you're new to the channel, we appreciate your guys' support. Subscribe, hit that like button. And until next time, I don't have anything to throw at you guys. I don't know where it went, but you know what? Here you go. We all love to eat a good old sandwich, especially on the go. However, this one is a little bit different. Hold on to your socks because you're gonna wanna slap your neighbors out. We all love to eat a nice, good old sandwich, especially on the go. Hold on to your socks. Don't look at me, bro, when I'm talking.